Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I've been doing my makeup lately. Especially during the winter season, I've been loving very radiant and glowy and dewy skin. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first I'm using this MAC Strobe Cream. It comes in various shades. I'm here using pinklite shade. So here it acts as an illuminator and a moisturizer at the same time. Now if you want, you can mix it in your moisturizer and then apply it in your face, or for a daily purpose you can mix it in your BB cream or CC cream and then apply it on your face, or even if you want you can mix it in your foundation and then apply it on your face. This will give more healthy, dewy, radiant skin, but I like to use it as a moisturizer during winter season, so here I'm applying it all over my face. So during winter season, I like to generally prefer an illuminating or dewy foundation instead of matte foundation. So here I'm using this LA Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating Foundation. Now it is a full coverage foundation, but still it is very lightweight in texture and gives a very healthy glow to my skin. That's why I'm using it, and I like to use it as it is. I do not layer it with a lot of concealer and powder on top of it. As you can see here, it gives a very nice sheen to it. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's in the shade Wine. If you want, you can also add your lipstick in your illuminator and then apply it in your cheeks. This will add a little bit color, at the same time give you an illuminated effect. And for the highlighter, I'm using this Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. It's in the shade Rodeo Drive. So here I'm applying it on the high points of my face. Now instead of powder highlighter, you can definitely go with the MAC Strobe Cream or any other illuminator and apply it on the high points of your face. This is definitely my skin but better. And then for the eyebrows, I'm using this MAC eyebrow styler. It's in the shade Spiked, which matches pretty well with my natural eyebrow color. So here I'm just combing up with the help of a spoolie and then fill up those gaps, and that's it. Now with this type of makeup, I generally like to keep my eyes very soft and supple, so I just prefer a single wash of color to my eyes and then later on just adding a little bit highlighter on my inner corner, a little bit on my lids and on my brow bone, just to give it a slightly more definition and so that they doesn't look very flat or very fluffy. And for this I'm using that same blush which I've used earlier for my cheeks and a highlighter, and just grabbing those and applying it on my eyes. This is how you can also multitask with your limited products. If you want, you can definitely go with your illuminator and just apply it in your eyelids and your inner corner, and that's it, you are good to go. Or if you want, you can definitely go with your liquid eyeshadow or an eyeshadow crayon, and that's it, just a hint of color in your eyes and you are pretty much done. Time to curl up my eyelashes and then later on using a good coat of mascara. So the one which I'm using today is the Kiko Milano Standout Volume Mascara. This is my everyday go-to kind of a mascara. So here I'm just applying it on my top as well as bottom lashes, and then later on I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Lover, I guess. So here is the final look on my winter everyday go-to kind of a makeup look, which mainly focusing with the skin, which I like to keep very dewy and glowy and illuminating kind of a skin. This is how I like to keep it very simple, fresh, yet a very healthy looking skin. I hope you like this video. All the products that I've used here are mentioned down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. See you in my next video. Bye.